Hey traders, welcome back to another daily profit and loss recap video. Today is Friday, August 18th. I just finished up trading for the day and I locked in $382 in profits. I had one trade and one trade only, and in this video we're going to break this trade down, talk about my entries and my exits as well as my thought process so that hopefully you can take something from my trading and apply it to your own. So my one trade today was with the stock HE. I wanted to really focus on quality over quantity today, and I wanted to be very patient with getting into any trades because over the past week or so, the market has definitely not been very favorable for the strategies that I typically trade. That being said, HE was gapping up this morning in pre-market. The previous day's closing price on this was $12.03. It gapped up to over $15 this morning early on in pre-market, and it started to fade back down towards that previous day's closing price into the market open. So because of that, rather than looking for an opening range breakout, especially in the current market conditions, and especially due to the fact that this was opening underneath the VWAP, I was more interested in waiting for a reversal setup than I was interested in buying into an opening range breakout and then chasing up into the highs. So with that being said, if we take a look at the 1 minute chart, when I'm looking for a reversal, there's a few different technical indicators that I'll look for. One of them being higher lows starting to form, one of them being some kind of volume exhaustion. I also use the tape, which is the level 2 in the time and sales very often. And through that, you can sometimes spot a reversal. But today, what we saw happen with HE is we can see that early on at the market open, it kind of starts to fade down, make some lower lows. And right up here, right before 10:30, we can see it forms its first higher low. And that was my first indicator that this might be starting to set up for a reversal. At the same time, because we have this low down here, which was $12.41, that is going to be a really solid level to risk off of if you're buying into this higher low that's forming up here. And that's kind of the nice thing about waiting for a higher low to form. It's going to kind of have a built-in risk level in place since there's going to be a lower low that is beneath. So anyway, with that being said, once I noticed this starting to form, I posted in the Market Master group eyeing for a reversal here as it's trying to form a higher low. The price was $12.84 at the time. I took a starter position. I had 750 shares. I was looking to build into a 1,500 share position. So I ended up with only half of my overall size that I was looking for. But my average price was really solid, just under $12.80. And sure enough, the higher low setup worked out perfectly. It started to rebound, ramped up into the VWAP. I had a limit order set to lock in partial profits into the VWAP, so I locked in some profits in that area. Then once we started to push up into these morning highs, that is where I sold the rest of my shares. Locked in $382 in profits on that trade. Obviously nothing crazy, but again, with the current market conditions, it is a little bit more important to be pickier with the stocks that you trade and with the setups that you take. So I'm very happy with how this trade played out. It was a nice stress-free way to end the week. Alright, so I want to end this video with some advice in scaling and growing your trading account, but before we get to that, I just want to remind you that a few days ago I made $727 in profits, and as a way to give back to our community, I've announced that I'm going to be giving away all of that to one of the traders in the Market Master group. The deadline to sign up is going to be 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Monday, August 21st. So if you're watching this, you have only a few days left to sign up. As of right now, there are only 26 people that are participating in this giveaway. So the odds are still very favorable, and there is still a great chance that you can be the winner of this $727 giveaway. It's going to be sent directly to the winner's PayPal. So make sure to follow the links down below in the description to get signed up to enter into this giveaway. Okay, that being said, I wanted to kind of just recap something that I shared last night on Twitter. I posted that once the market starts to heat back up, I'm finally ready to start scaling my position sizes up. Since I've been recapping all of my trades here on YouTube for the past 3 or so months, I've been able to pretty consistently average right around $1,000 per day in profits. And not only have I been doing that on YouTube for the past 3 months, I've also been trading very similarly for the past few years. I'm finally feeling confident enough in my trading abilities and my strategies, my discipline, and my overall execution to start increasing my share sizes and turning hopefully these $1,000 days into $2,000 days or more. The lesson here that I always share with traders, especially in the Market Master group, is that it's very important to make sure that when you're increasing your share size and you're trying to increase your overall profits, you have to also be very comfortable with increasing your max risk. And that's something that a lot of traders kind of ignore when it comes to trying to scale their accounts. And realistically, you should only be doing this once you've proved yourself with a smaller account and shown that over weeks or months you can be consistently profitable, you can manage your risk, and you can execute strategies on a consistent basis. So I just wanted to share that here since I do post my profit and loss statements every single day. If in the next couple of weeks you start to see larger profits as well as larger losses, it is because I do plan on starting to finally scale up my position sizes in the near future. I'm just waiting for the market to start heating back up a little bit, and in my opinion, that will most likely start to happen within the next few weeks. Alright, but anyway, with all of that being said, that was my trade for the day. I ended up finishing off the week with $382 in profits today. Hopefully you found some value in this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And again, if you want to be entered into the $727 cash giveaway, as well as get access to our day trade and swing trade alerts, our detailed trade plans, our live custom scanner streams, and so on and so forth, all of that is available to our members in the Market Master group. There's going to be a link down below in the description for you to get signed up. But anyway, thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and good luck with your trading.